Hello, fellow developers. Today we're going to go over the Update Changelog Tool. This is one of my favorite tools, one, because I just do not like to type. I recommend you go to this help page to see all the different flags that you can use. Let's go ahead and dive in. Here is a PR that I have, or a merge request, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in the actual command to invoke the tool Update Changelog. I've given some extra instructions. One is saying I want Roman numerals now instead of just the bullet points. And I want to actually push this change, not just to have it as comments. I'm going to go ahead and make that comment, and we will see our eyeballs show up here that tell us that Qodo Merge is got our request and is going to work on it. And now it's preparing the changes. Now it's prepared the changes. It's actually written it to the file, but it also shows it in the comments here. So I'm going to just resolve this conversation, and I'm not going to reply to it. I'm just going to do that. And now I'm going to go to the files changed. And you can see here in the files changed where we used to have little dashes, we now have Roman numerals. So we've been able to change the way we have the changelog working. Happy coding with Qodo.